Saka. Edwards pointing the way in the middle, and a run for Van der Parra! Well, the biggest chance of the game so far falls Wolves' way. Wolves moving into the box. Help provided by Saka. Oh, and Edwards is in there, and Gomez able to produce the save. Square loose from McDonald. Wars is going to take aim here. What a good idea that was. Aurelio Gomez having to turn it away. That was in there, Van der Parra! And Gomez produces once more. Against the relatively raw recruit, although that's certainly doing him an injustice. That's a great ball, and Dicko will take the chance, surely. Well, he hasn't. Van der Parra again. A little change of pace, and Dicko is there, and this time he makes no mistake. Well, he let a big chance pass him by in the first half, but he has certainly made the most of that, and Wolves deservedly in front. Good order. On to Igalo.